I, Sammy. Sorry for the low energy. I just got copyright claimed again on another video that I posted literally not even 5 minutes ago. I don't blame anyone but myself. I should really check my sources on my music. So, in this case, I'm going to be doing another video in replacement of that one. My mom bought smoothie materials, so I'm gonna go down there and make smoothies for everyone. I'm blurring out everyone's faces because I don't need that many people in the video, so let's go down. Hello again. So, we are here in my kitchen and I'm about to start making the smoothies. We've got our trusty Black & Decker blender and I'm going to start getting the fruit. Fruits, ice cream. Can't really forget the milk. And what makes a smoothie? Ice. Now there's no specific order to putting the stuff in for making a smoothie, but I prefer ice since I've heard that ice sharpens blades. Next I like to put in fruit. I don't think it really matters which. It's actually a mango and strawberries here. Say hello to the camera. I respect your privacy. Girl, bye. I love you.
I love you too. Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I love you too, Pumpkin. I'm sorry.
No, it's too late.
My bad, YouTube. She said she loved me, and I said I love you too. My bad. I love you too, Pumpkin.
I'm leaving that in there. I'm leaving that in there.
I'm cool with that.
I like to put ice cream next because ice cream's not.
I'm sorry. Is she using my stuff to make these kids
Wait, is
some
that
smoothies?
not the one?
It's okay though. No, that's it. I was. Ha! Jokes on you. I got you.
It's okay.
Mommy life. Homie, you forgot the bananas, homie.
Oh my gosh, bananas. Bananas! Is that too much ice?
Yeah, when you still got fruit and other stuff to put in, ice cream.
Bananas.
Where's the pot so I can... Her mama's life. I'm making homemade egg rolls. Yeah, I'm all up in your video. Since you tried to take over my kitchen. Glad I don't mind.
Yeah, because then you don't have to cook most of the time.
Do what?
Then you don't have to cook sometimes.
I was talking about you taking over my kitchen. I like y'all enough today. Actually, I just don't want my ingredients to go bad. Dang, I gotta cut up stuff. And patante.
Is that enough bananas or more?
Yes, that's what some girl is doing.
Banana! Okay, so I sliced up like 2 bananas, but I really don't want to put the third one in because there's a lot. My mom is also cooking egg rolls at this moment, but she seems to have stepped out of the house. Okay, now we do ice cream. I might add more later. I'm actually really hungry right now. I barely ate today. Oh my gosh! Let's leave them in! moment. I forgot to plug it in. Okay. Oh my gosh. Smoothies are healthy for you because they have water and fruits, milk, lots of dairy actually. We need the ultimate thickness. I might need more ice though. I'm a goofy goober, rock! I remember the first time I ever made a smoothie. My family said it was. My family said that it was actually pretty good, so I was really proud, and I've been the designated smoothie maker for the children. I have no idea how smoothies are supposed to come out. So that's pretty cool. Time to get the cups. I'm actually pretty excited. I haven't had a smoothie in a while. That's a lie. I had a smoothie the other day. I forgot. I'm gonna go give these to my siblings and then I'll be right back and that'll be the end of the video. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and yeah, smoothies are really good. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, questions, make sure to go down to the comments section down below and, you know, speak your mind. Like and subscribe, share the video, and thank you so much.